today I'm going to be doing a come to work with me as a construction worker. Well, not really a construction worker, but you get the point. So stay tuned. Alright, so this is my boss man. Yeah, we just be chilling. No, I'm just kidding. You wanna say something?
About what?
Anything about the job?
Who am I talking to?
YouTube!
I don't want to talk to you, too.
Finna do this, finna be water up in this warehouse because of this. Yeah. Y'all that want to know what we do, this is what we do.
What?
What do we do? Ah!
Clean for a living.
We just clean the ground.
You lie?
And then
You lie?
the walls. That's all we do.
Say you lie?
What we do?
This is what we clean up mud.
Just
You
mud,
mud cleaning.
mud, all of this. You see? This is all we do. This is a warehouse. And all we do is, like I said, just the ground and then the wall. So sometimes when I don't do the ground, I usually ride this thing.
Hey, let me see that black, right?
It's a machine where it kind of like mops it, dries it, and vacuums it. So yes, it's super easy. All right, guys. So by this time we wrap it up, and we just waiting to go home now. So yeah.
All right, let me hit your pup bar.
Okay, so after we're done, our boss man takes us to our cars over there. We all get in. Yeah, we all get in. Say something. Say hi to the people. He gonna sip on this Pepsi. So remember, don't forget to subscribe and like. Peace.